DJI Pocket 4 isn't just an upgrade. It's a total takeover of the camera industry. While everyone was looking at mirrorless cameras and bulky rigs, DJI was quietly perfecting a beast that fits in the palm of your hand. Today, we are diving deep into everything. The leaked specs that changed the game, the secret Pro version that nobody saw coming, and why this tiny device is making Sony and Canon executives lose sleep. If you thought the Pocket 3 was peak vlogging gear, you aren't ready for what's next. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your smartphone camera just became obsolete. To understand why the Pocket 4 is such a big deal, we have to look at the landscape of 2026. Content creation has evolved. It's no longer about just recording a video. It's about high-fidelity storytelling. We want 10-bit color, we want insane low-light performance, and we want it without carrying a backpack full of gear. DJI saw the gap. The Pocket 3 was a massive success. It was the first time we truly saw a 1-inch sensor in a body this small. But it had its limits. The battery life, the fixed focal length, the lack of true professional controls. Users wanted more, and DJI listened. They didn't just iterate, they re-engineered. Here is the biggest news that started leaking just weeks ago. We aren't just getting one camera. For the first time ever, DJI is following the smartphone model. We are looking at a DJI Pocket 4 and a DJI Pocket 4 Pro. The standard model is the refined beast we expected. It's slimmer, faster, and more rugged. But the Pro? That's where things get wild. We are talking about a dual lens system. Imagine having a wide-angle lens for your vlogs and a dedicated telephoto lens for those cinematic B-roll shots, all on a mechanical gimbal. This has never been done before in a pocket-sized form factor. It's a literal production studio in your pocket. Let's talk numbers, because these aren't just minor bumps. The Pocket 4 is rumored to house an enhanced 1-inch CMOS sensor, but with a massive leap in processing power. We are looking at 6K video at 60 frames per second. Think about that for a second. 6K in your pocket. This allows creators to crop into their footage for social media without losing a single ounce of detail. And for the slow motion junkies, 4K at 120 frames per second is now the standard, with rumors suggesting the Pro model might even hit 240 frames per second. The dynamic range has been pushed even further with a new version of D-Log-M, giving you colors so rich and shadows so detailed, you'd swear it was shot on Alexa. But a camera is nothing without its eyes. The new lens coating on the Pocket 4 is designed to eliminate ghosting and flare, something that haunted the previous generations when shooting against the sun. Whether you're filming a sunset in Malibu or the neon lights of Las Vegas, the clarity is going to be surgical. Now let's talk about the magic, the gimbal. DJI has always been the king of stabilization, but the Pocket 4 introduces omni-stabilization. It's not just mechanical anymore. It's a hybrid system that uses AI to predict your movement. This brings us to ActiveTrack 7.0. This isn't just follow the face. This is identify the subject, understand the environment, and maintain the composition. If a car passes between you and the camera, or if you walk behind a tree, the AI now remembers your silhouette and reacquires you instantly. It's like having a professional camera operator who never gets tired and never misses a shot. For solo creators, this is the holy grail. You can set this camera down on a rock, walk 50 feet away, and it will track you with the precision of a hawk. One of the biggest complaints with the Pocket series was the battery. When you're out in the field, you don't want to be tethered to a power bank. The Pocket 4 features a 20% larger battery capacity, pushing the runtime well over 200 minutes. But it's not just about the size, it's about the charging. DJI is introducing Warp Charge for the Pocket 4. You could get a 50% charge in just 12 minutes. That's a coffee break. By the time you're done with your latte, your camera is ready for another 2 hours of filming. The design has also seen a sleek makeover. The screen is now a 2.2-inch OLED with 2000 nits of brightness. If you've ever tried a vlog in the midday sun in Florida, you know how hard it is to see your frame. With the Pocket 4, that's a thing of the past. It's crisp, it's bright, and it's incredibly responsive. DJI isn't just selling a camera, they're selling an ecosystem. The Pocket 4 comes with a built-in mounting system that's compatible with a new range of Pro lights and Pro mics. The audio has been a massive focus. We now have a 4-mic array with AI noise cancellation. It can literally isolate your voice from the wind and the traffic. In the US market, where audio quality can make or break a channel. This is a game changer. You might not even need an external mic anymore, though the new Mic 3 integration is seamless for those who want that extra crispness. Why is DJI dropping this now? Because the competition is heating up. Insta360 and Sony are breathing down their necks. But DJI has something they don't: the gimbal legacy. In the USA, the vlog style of content is shifting. People want more cinematic reality. They want their daily lives to look like a Netflix documentary. The Pocket 4 is the only tool that allows a single person to achieve that look without a crew. From travel influencers to real estate moguls showing off luxury mansions, the use cases are endless. We are seeing a shift where even big YouTubers are leaving their heavy mirrorless cameras at home and relying entirely on the Pocket series for their main A-roll. Now, the question everyone is asking: how much is this going to cost? The leaks suggest a slight price hike, which is expected given the Pro features. We are looking at a starting price of around $549 for the standard model and upwards of $799 for the Pro Creator Combo. Is it expensive? Yes. Is it worth it? When you consider it replaces a $2,000 camera setup and a $500 gimbal, it's actually a steal. The release date? All signs point to a global rollout in the next few weeks. Shipping containers have been spotted, dummy units are arriving at retailers, and the official teaser is expected any day now. The DJI Pocket 4 is more than a gadget. It represents the freedom to create. It's the end of "I wish I had my camera with me." Now you always have it. But here is the real question for you. If you had a tool this powerful in your pocket right now, what is the first story you would tell? Are you going to wait for the Pro model? Or is the standard version enough for your needs? Let me know in the comments below, because I'm reading every single one. The future of content is small, it's smart, and it's finally here. Don't get left behind. If you want to stay updated on the exact second the pre-orders go live, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. We now have the exact date of arrival for the DJI Pocket 4 Standard Edition camera, March 26th, 2026. Not only that, we're going to talk about the source who shared the date with us at the very same time, and how authentic his information is. And overall, what set of information do we have related to the Pocket 4 camera arrival till now, and what else factor does support the March announcement date? Everything we're going to discuss in this article. But before we begin, let's discuss the major leak that we have published just before this. A real leak video of the DJI Standard Pocket 4 Edition camera from a retail shop. So let's start with that. DJI Pocket 4 leaked video surfaces from retail sources. The real-life footage of the DJI Pocket 4 camera with a magnetic flashlight setup was revealed. The leaker is an official DJI store in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. They had it with them and created a video, which they posted on their official Instagram handle. It's actually a 33-second reel showing smooth 3-axis gimbal operation, flip-out 2-inch OLED screen, and new built-in front-facing LED fill light, as detailed in thenacamera.com's February 17th, 2026 coverage. You can find out about it here. The most interesting detail is that we now have an announcement date from YouTuber Photowraps. According to him, the standard version of the Pocket 4 camera will be announced in China on March 26th, 2026. This would be a China-specific announcement, exactly as we have seen in the past with several DJI products. First introduced in China and followed approximately 2 or 3 weeks later by the global announcement. TheNewCamera.com confirms the standard model is scheduled for March 2026 rollout, with Chinese retailers already holding physical stock ahead of global channels. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 delays explained. Accessory production issues. We have also seen in the past that Photowrap's predicted dates have been missed before. According to him, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 standard model was delayed because the accessories are still in production. Photowraps had earlier flagged December 2025 and late January 2026 delays specifically due to unfinished accessories, including frame tap, wireless remote, and other ecosystem items, as covered in the NewCamera.com reports from December 2025 and January 2026. Even in the leaked video, we can see additional accessories like a magnetic light, which is just above the camera to light up the scene, has been first time attached with the Pocket series in the Pocket for the model, aligning with the new integrated LED fill light highlighted as a Pocket Series first in the drone's khaki footage and retail box leaks on thenewcamera.com. So, even if he assumed that he was saying at that time that the standard model series of Pocket for camera was about to arrive, but was delayed due to the accessories. Now he is giving us the final date of arrival, and according to him, March 26th.